great performance by Tribu Camindanawan. Performing at syempre, ating mga cute na mga animal ambassador. Once again, give it up for Tribu Camindanawan. Performing ang lakas. There you go, sa lakas. Our white-bellied eagle with a sign of the name, Ariatis Leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7. Been great hornbill, that's it, Mr. Bill. Now come here the boy. Very much, syempre, di rin magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body, and they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita niyo sila sa malapitan. Now guys, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. And this morning, magpapakitang bilang sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have some job for you to follow muna. Okay? So at the count of 3, you need to shout live. So what's the word? Yan sa mga idols. Ayan. So, idols, what's the word? You need to shout live, okay? So let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Alam, dito lang talaga yung may energy. Asa yung tao dito guys, lagyan. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Live! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill dumigat in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So nililigaw yung lalaking halaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas na maraming insect na na-catch yung lalaking halaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ang halaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Mabilis lang so. And a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Alright, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ, our Filipino great hornbill, are also known as the alarm clocks of great boys because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan naman natin our blue and gold macaw with Booyah Siren. Now, once again, that is the rock, our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Ara-Araunan, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talento lang ni Barak at 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like other parents, guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called tada! Kadang-kadang mga boy suot eh! March, good boys, so that is zygodactyl feet in action. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, allowing you to grab items from marching boys. Right, left, and baba. Good boy, palakpakan naman na. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Syra, pero nga para, please ko Kuya Syra, pero sunset naman. Wow! Hindi lang yan guys. Kasi the movement or the bumulong kasi mag-i-check ka nito. And we also have a biodegradable before nagbubulok ka siyempre. I-check ulit ko nila kung gumagana naman yung kalabutas nila. And now check ko sa Barak. At mukhang gumagana naman na Barak. Kuya Syra, are you ready? And the count of 3, napakabasura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So, anong unang kinukuha ni Barak? A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy. Another piece of trash boy. This time, leaf or dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Good boy. Another piece of trash. Leaf na naman. Or dahon. Saan ilalagay dahon, Barak? Siyempre, sa volume degradable with one last. Once again, guys, Apollo. And there you go. So that is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands! Yes, kung gusto makita si Apollo sa videos, ayan, napakadaming fans na Apollo na. Pagkakamot ka lang, sir. Eto, how about ito? How about Kuya Dexter? Who wants to see Kuya Dexter dance? Raise your hands! Hala ka, Kuya Dexter, mas madami ko pang fans si Apollo. May makatay ka, Kuya Dexter. So kayo dalawa sasayawan. Now, Apollo, are you ready? Now, Ate Joy Joy, hit it! Show your move and there you go. So that is the moonwalk made by the famous Michael Jackson at Pasipoy. Pakita mo sa kasama ang moonwalk and tama na Apollo, baka malaglag ka sa table. Now, di natin panatawag na multi-talented star si Apollo kung iisa lang ang kanyang talent. Pang-probinsyano po yung actingan ko, pang-kargalisa. Ano bago yun? Si Tanggol, ayan. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agila. Anong gagawin, Apollo? Patay, good. So that is their natural reaction. They're doing it to fool their predators because most of predators don't like rotten food. So nagpapatay ka tayo sila. So one more time, Apollo. Apollo,
Bea!
may agila na naman. Anong gagawin, Apollo? Hala ka, Apollo. Good boy. Napaka-dramatic talaga ng Apollo. Palakpakan din si Apollo. At dahil artistahin si Apollo, siyempre, may pa-interview niya. No, Felix si Apollo, okay lang ma-interview? Ayan, Apollo. Sumugot ka ng maayos na. Napakadami nating bisita ngayon. Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter mo boy. Look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter? Pogi ba? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter? Wow! Okay daw. Eto, how about me? How about me, boy? Parang alam ko na yung sagot ko, Dexter. How about me? Am I good looking? Am I handsome? Pogi ba, Apollo? Pogi ba? Kuya Dexter, tinuturuan mo ko, Dexter. One more time, Apollo, look at me. Pogi ba, Apollo? Pogi ba? Let's take it sa mga guest na lang na. Pabawin. Sino tumatawa sa Kuya Dexter? Ito si Ma'am. Ito si Ma'am. Nag-awak ng baby. Now, look at Ma'am Apollo. Is she good looking? Is she pretty? Maganda ba si Ma'am? Maganda ba? Wow! Wow! Maganda din. Nag-blush si Ma'am Apollo. So let's take it sa mga boys na para hindi bias. Ay, ito si Sir. Ito si Sir. Nakakap si Sir Apollo. Look at Sir Apollo. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir Apollo? Pogi ba? Pogi ba? Oh, pogi. Sana. Oh, syempre, pogi naman talaga. Maganda yung mga bisita natin. So ito, bakit ako lang yung naiba Apollo? Ano nangyari dyan? No, Apollo, look at me. One last time. Please, boy, please. Look at me. Am I handsome? Am I good looking? Po? Coming from our transportation. And this morning, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 ding. Why now Jumbo, Saka, and Sika, good boy, from first placer, from Iron Man, Sika good boy, Papap Dolen, para lang Jumbo. To the kids out there who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, don't you worry guys. This morning, Jumbo will also show us how to ride a scooter. Now, Jumbo, sakay ulit. And sigan. Dito yung dahan ng Jumbo, magalas yung table. And para lang, good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. We can also do our part by doing the reduce, recycle, and repurpose or some alternative ways for our transportation. That's all for Jumbo, guys. Palakpakan namin. Siyempre, ang kanyang napakapawang kuya na si Kuya Boy. Now, here in that. Once again, that is Danny, our Palawan welcome to the scientific name of Antis Binturong, or locally known as the Binturong, guys. Now guys, did you know that their tail acts as a weapon, meaning it is prehensile in nature. The meaning of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kalimasin. Sing sa mga mountain at ipapakita ni Teddy ngayong umaga po. Teddy, show them your prehensile tail. Are you ready to go down? Down, down, down. There you go. So that is their prehensile tail in action. They are doing the pinawan to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan natin si Teddy, guys. Now, may I direct you to your right side na naman. And I will call on the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Now, fun fact about Palawan workers, their cook and their feet plus the infrastructure and endemic po sila sa Pilipinas. Meaning, dito lang sila sa Pilipinas makikita, particularly sa Palawan. Uy, ate, bakit ba po yan? Ate, yan, mamaya na tayo maglalaro. Pinukuha na natin yung ball pizza, no? Saan si Mami? Mami? Ayan. Ayan, sige. Wala na lang yan. Mamaya na tayo maglalaro. Okay, later after the show. Ay, malaglag ka. And there po, and there you go. So that is their two highlight action. So think of omnivore sila. So ito, meron na naman akong tanong. Okay, so first question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? And piolo. Ganyan. May problema ba kayo? Guys, wait lang po.
Bea!
Guys, paulit-ulit din namin sabihin sa inyo no, na we are still working with wild animals no? And as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At sabi ng ating mga kuya na wala lang sa po. Si Daniel. You can touch it, you can hold it. Already try naman sila. So, sanay na na po sila sa inyo guys. And guys, do not pinch the snake kasi girly. Pagkatapos ng show. And meron din pala kaming special guest ngayon. It's a surprise. Hello. You can touch it, you can hold it naman.
Bea!
Already try naman sila. So, sanay na po sila sa inyo. And guys, konting paalala lang po ha. Konting paalala lang ha. Pwede nyo hawakan yung mga snake natin. Huwag lang yung mga trainers. Joke lang. Kung gusto nyo hawakan yung mga trainers, pwede lang. Sa door with Kuya Junel. Kuya Jimar with the Kakador at syempre. Our DJ na si Ate Joy. And special thanks to Kuya Boy na nasa taas. And si Kuya Simon kanina. And once again, I am Benji. And we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay po din ako. Maghanggang salamat sa inyong tanan.
Wala ko man sila kapapicture daw.